Simple Reflex AI Agents. Understanding simple reflex agents and how to create them. Introduction to intelligent agents. What is an agent? An entity that perceives the environment and takes actions. Types of agents. Simple reflex agents, model-based agents, goal-based agents, utility-based agents, learning agents. What is simple reflex agent? An agent that makes decisions based only on current percepts, no memory, uses condition-action rules, if-then logic. Example: a thermostat that turns heating on, off based on temperature. These agents are fairly straightforward. They make decisions based only on what they perceive at the moment, without considering the past. They do their job when the right decision can be made just by looking at the current situation. Components of simple reflex agent. Sensors perceive the environment. Condition-action rules define behavior based on percepts. Actuators perform actions based on rules. Example: a vacuum cleaner agent. Objective: clean dirty spots and move around. Rules: if current location is dirty, clean it. If current location is clean, move left or right. This code simulates a vacuum cleaner agent in a simple environment with two rooms, A and B, which are randomly clean or dirty. The agent starts in a random room and perceives its location and status using concept. Based on this, update environment updates the world. Sucking cleans the room, while moving left or right changes its position. This setup enables the agent to react to its surroundings and make decisions accordingly. This table illustrates how the simple reflex agent works. First, if the agent starts in room A and finds it dirty, it sucks, making both rooms clean. Next, if A is already clean, it moves right to B. Finally, if B is dirty, it sucks and cleans it. This shows how the agent responds to its surroundings using simple rule-based decisions. This code defines a simple reflex vacuum agent that reacts based on its current perception. The decide_action method makes decisions. If the room is dirty, it sucks. If clean and in A, it moves right. Otherwise, it moves left. The environment is created. The agent perceives its surroundings, takes action, updates the environment, and prints the result. This demonstrates a basic reflex agent operating step by step. The agent starts in room A, finds it dirty, and sucks up the dirt. Next, in room B, which is already clean, it moves left to A. Finding it now clean, it moves right again. This shows how the simple reflex agent reacts based only on its immediate perception, following a basic rule-based approach.